Here's how to put your SEBO X7 together. Connect the main body to the base. Fit the handle assembly to the main body so the red line on the handle is completely covered. Lock the handle with the lever. Fit the telescopic hose to the main body, then fit the hose into the free port. Removing the bag. Lift the catch. Remove the cover. Squeeze the green holders. Changing the filter. Pull the handle at the bottom. Lift the safety bar and slide in the filter. Removing the exhaust microfilter. Squeeze the points at the back. Lift the cover. Flick off the filter catch and remove.